Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. From Supreme Education School System, this is your teacher for class 4. Students, our today's topic is unit number 2, rainbows, and we are going to do the book work of this unit. Our first question is, as you can see, noun. As you know, noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Here we can see James, Tiger, Lahore, bread. James, Tiger, Lahore and bread are the nouns in these sentences. James is the name of a person, Tiger is the name of an animal, Lahore is the name of a place and bread is the name of a thing. So students, these are words are noun. Our first exercise is to underline the nouns in each sentence. We have given some sentences and we have to underline the nouns. Number 1 is the girl ran to her father. इसमें noun है girl and father. Girl and father are the nouns in this sentence. Number 2, the brave boy saved the small kitten. Boy and kitten are the nouns in this sentence. Dublin is a noisy city. Dublin and city are the nouns. The tree was chopped down with an axe. Tree and axe are the nouns. I heard a bird singing this morning in a big tree. Bird, morning and tree are the nouns. Mary bought sweets in the shop. Mary, sweets and shop are the nouns. I save my money in a city bank. Money and city bank are the nouns. Mum cut the bread with a knife. In this sentence, mum, bread and knife are the nouns. The dog barked at the cat. In this sentence, dog and cat are the nouns. Jolie went for fish and chips. In this sentence, Julie, fish and chips are the nouns. So students, underline all the nouns given in these sentences. Our next question is to choose the correct noun from the list to fill in the blanks. We are given here some nouns like ball, England, apple, kangaroo, fridge, Dubai, baby, stable, cat, Anam. Our first sentence is we play soccer with a. So students, what do we play soccer with? We play soccer with a ball. Number 2 is a horse lives in a. एक घोड़ा रहता है in a stable. अस्तबल में. Number 3, London is in. London कहाँ है? England. London is in England. Number 4, milk is kept in the. दूध को रखा जाता है कहाँ पर? In the fridge. I picked an apple from the tree. The baby was asleep in her coat. A kangaroo hops on 2 hind legs. We went on holiday to Dubai. The fireman rescued the cat from the tree. Anam and her friend Sarah went to the cinema. So students, we will move to our next question. That is, think of 4 more nouns for each column and write them. Students, you can see there are given some columns in which you have to write the person's name, animal's name, place name and thing's name. 4 names are written in there already, but other columns you have to fill with your own choice. Now we will move to the next question, that is comprehension. Choose words from the list to match action in the table. टेबल में कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं जिनके एक्शंस को आपने इन दिए गए लफ्ज़ों के साथ मैच करना है. जो ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, दे आर वॉइस, पेंसिल, टीयर्स, बुक, कार, toys, food, eyes, chair and money. Number 1 is write. What do we write with? We write with a pencil. Eat. What do we eat with? What do we eat? We eat food. What do we drive? We drive a car. Sing. Voice. Cry. Tears. Shop. Money. See. Eyes. Play. Toys. Read, book, sit, chair. Students, our next question is that we have given some groups here and we have to tell the names of the groups. As in number 1, we have given shirt, trouser, coat, jacket, frock. These all are the names of some clothes. So this group name is clothes. Number 2 is beef, chicken, pork, mutton, lamb. ये सब क्या हैं? These are meat. Number 3, M, B, D, G, W. These are alphabet. Trunks, goggles, swim socks, armbands, swim cap. These all are swimwears. Daisy, sunflower, jasmine, tulip, rose. These are all flowers. Boat, ship, yacht, ferry, submarine. These are vessels. Blue, green, yellow, pink, brown. These are all colors. Now we will move to the next question, that is word structure. Underline the word in each sentence that does not belong. In सब sentences में एक वर्ड ऐसा है जो इस लाइन के अंदर, उस सेंटेंस के अंदर सूट नहीं करता है, आपने उसको अंडरलाइन करना है. नंबर 1, लॉन्ग एगो रैबिट्स हैड लॉन्ग नॉट टेल्स. इसमें एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड, ऑड वर्ड, नॉट है, सो यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन नॉट. नंबर 2, द फॉक्स इज़ अ वेरी क्लेवर एंड एनिमल. एंड, underline and. There are 7 days in the week. Next, Paddy was a lighthouse bulb keeper. Bulb. The dolphin enjoyed his life. There, you can catch fish with a rod. Nor. Number 7, birds often build their eggs in trees. Eggs. I wonder how now many boys are sick. Now, can you find not the answer? Not. I like the square shape of the moon. Square. Students, next question is, this is teaser time. There is a word given, telephone. You have given the code of telephone and you have to write the hidden words. So our first word with the help of given codes is tent. Second word is phone. Third word is 10. Fourth word is plot. Fifth word is note. Sixth word is teen. Seventh word is then, and eighth word is pole. So students, this is your book work. Please write these on your books very neatly and put your date also. Take care, stay home, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.